Hi, ladies. Welcome back to Boss Lady Mindset. Today's topic is something every woman struggles with: negative thoughts, overthinking, self doubt, fear, anxiety. These thoughts drain your energy and stop you from living a peaceful life. But the good news is you can control your mind. And today I will give you simple and powerful techniques that actually work. So watch till the end because the last technique is the strongest of all. And don't forget to subscribe because this channel is here to make your mind stronger every day. Ladies, your mind is like a TV. If you don't select the channel, it will automatically play something useless. Negative thoughts are just like those random channels. They come automatically. But you have the remote. Let me show you how to use that remote. The first step is very simple. Name the thought. Anytime a negative thought comes, say, this is fear, this is overthinking, this is insecurity, this is doubt. When you name the thought, you separate yourself from the thought example. Instead of saying, I'm scared, say, my mind is giving me a scared thought. This tiny difference gives you power because once you name the thought, you can control it. Most negative thoughts repeat like a loop. Same thought again and again. So when a negative thought comes, say loudly inside your mind, stop, not now. This immediately breaks the loop. It feels simple, but it is scientifically proven. Your brain gets interrupted and the thought loses its strength. When you get a negative thought, ask this one question: is this thought true, or is my mind making a story? 90% of the time, it's a story. Your mind imagines the worst. But in real life, nothing is that bad. The moment you ask this question, the thought becomes weak. You cannot remove a negative thought by force. You must replace it. So when your mind says, I can't do it, replace it with, I will try. When your mind says, I am not good enough, replace it with, I am improving every day. When your mind says, what if I fail? Replace it with, what if I win? Replacing the thought changes the state of your mind immediately. Sometimes the problem is not your mind, it's your environment. If you sit in the same place, scrolling the same things, thinking the same thoughts, you will feel stuck. So the moment negative thoughts become heavy, change your environment, go outside, walk for 5 minutes, drink water, play music, look at the sky, talk to a friend. Movement breaks negative patterns instantly. This is the most powerful mind control technique. Whenever your thoughts feel uncontrollable, do this. Breath in for 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, release for 5 seconds. Do this 5 times. This resets your brain. Your mind becomes calm. Your thoughts slow down. Your anxiety drops instantly. Many therapists use this technique. It works like magic. This is the strongest tool of all. When your mind gives you a negative thought, ask, okay, what can I do right now? This question moves you from thinking to action, and when you are in action, but yeah, your brain stops overthinking. Focus on what you can do now, not on what you cannot control. If any of these techniques helped you today, comment below. I will control my mind. Ladies, your mind is powerful and you are even more powerful. If you want more videos that strengthen your confidence, self-esteem and mindset, subscribe to Boss Lady Mindset. New videos every single day. Let's grow together. Let's become stronger together. See you in the next video.